So in this video I'm going to discuss the minimum operations to make all array elements equal, which occur in today's LEETCODE challenge. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ping me up on Instagram. Even you can join my Discord server. I'll provide both the links in the comment section and I'll pin them. So the question is very simple. It is stated that you're given an array nums and this is the queries, another array queries, and what you can do is you have to make all the elements equal to queries of I, and what you can do is either subtract one from an element or add one to it, and you have to find the minimum number of steps in which you can do it. Basically, let's not make it more complex. It basically states that you have to find out the sum of absolute differences between all the elements and this element. Okay, that is for this, or if 1 is the case, then 3 minus 1 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, 6 minus 1 is 5, and 8 minus 1 is 7. So the sum is 7 plus 5 plus 2, that is plus 0, that is 14. Okay, so 5 minus 3 is 2, 5 minus 1 is 4, 5 minus 6 is 6 minus 5 is 1, and 8 minus 5 is 3. So it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10, right? 10. So this is what the question basically says, but if you go on to do this, then it will give you a solution of m into n, I guess. Okay, it is going to give you a solution of m into n, and this is going to give you a TLE for sure. Okay, this is going to give you a TLE for sure. So what you can do is you can like make this m into n to n log n. Okay, m into n is basically somewhat n squared, right? So you can make it n log n. So how can we do it? We can first of all sort the whole this array. So 1, 3, 6, 8. Okay, once you have sorted it, you can see and notice a pattern that for 1, this becomes only this element is 1 minus 1. Okay, for this element it is 1 minus 1. For the all rest of the elements it is 3 minus 1 or 6 minus 1 or 8 minus 1. Okay, let me take the example of 5 for a better understanding. 1, 3, 6, 8. Check for this, the absolute will be 5 minus 1. For this it will be 5 minus 3. But for this it will be 6 minus 5, and for this it will be 8 minus 5. So this, for elements which are greater than 5, the 5 we make that element minus 5, and elements which are lesser than equal to 5 we make 5 minus that element. So how can we find it? Very simple approach. You can use a binary search. Okay, binary search to find element which is lesser than equal to queries of I. Okay, once you have found it out, you can do what? You can find out the sum of all the elements till that, and sum of all these elements. How can you do that? You know that prefix sum array and the suffix sum array, that thing you know. So by this, by calculating this, you can find out the sum of first I elements and the next I elements. Okay, not I actually, the like binary search to find the element. So if you find the element is at position pause, then you can find out the sum of all elements from 0 to pause and sum of all elements from pause plus 1 to n minus 1. That is 0 to pause and pause plus 1 to n minus 1. Okay, from these elements, after you have added all these elements, you are going to subtract that from 5 into pause plus 1. Okay, 5 into pause plus 1 minus prefix sum of pause. Okay, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 minus 1 plus 3, right? What is this? This 2 becomes 5 plus 5 minus 1 plus 3. That is 5 into 2 minus 1 plus 3. What is 1 plus 3? The suffix, the prefix sum of this 2. Okay, so 1 plus 3. And 5 into 2, that is the number of elements, that is pause plus 1. Okay, so 5 into pause plus 1 minus prefix sum pause. So this is what this portion I get. Sorry, this portion I get. Okay, and for this portion, it is also simple. This portion is suffix pause plus 1 minus 5 into n minus 1 n minus 1, sorry, n minus 1, n minus pos minus 1. Okay, n minus pos minus 1, that is the remaining number of 5s, that is this. Okay, so what is this? 6 plus 8 minus 5 into 2, right? So 6 plus 8 is suffix of pos plus 1, that is this 6 plus 8 minus 5 into this. Now what is 5? This 5 is queries. Okay, this 5 thing, this is the queries of I. Okay, so you get it. So let's do it for this case, 2963. Okay, 2963, after sorting it, it becomes 2369. You have to find an element which is lesser than equal to 10. Which element is lesser than equal to 10? This 9 is lesser than equal to 10, right, in the whole array. So what you have to do is you have to find 1 2 3 4, right? 4. So that is 10 into 4 minus sum of all elements, 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, 20, right? So 10 into 4 is 40 minus 20, that becomes 20. So I hope this is clear. Like, if you still have any doubt, you can ping me up on Instagram. I will provide both the links in the comment section also of the Discord server. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.